So today we are in the Silicon Valley of our country, Bengaluru. Here we are at one of its most prestigious institutions, the GEMS B School. It is located in the Royal Cottage area of the Bangalore Palace in Vasant Nagar. Bangalore again can be reached by road, rail and air. GEMS B School has been ranked amongst the top 25 B schools in the country by various surveys, and they have also developed programs in association with various Indian and international universities.
GEMS B School is a 10-year-old institution. We started back in 2006. It was conceived by a bunch of industry professionals who very firmly believed that management education cannot be taught in a classroom alone. Management education had to be taught as a blended model. A part of it must be learnt in the classroom and a part of it must be learnt out there in the industry. So that's how GEMS B School kicked off.
They offer courses in Industry Synergized MBA, Corporate MBA, MBA in Healthcare Management, MBA in Event Management, MBA in Retail Management, MBA with SAP B1, Industry Synergized BBA and MBA, Corporate Integrated BBA and MBA, and Bachelors in Hospitality and Travel Tourism. GEMS B School also has campuses in 3 other locations, that is Mysore, Pondicherry and Tirupati.
The work and study learning methodology developed by GEMS B School is actually very useful. Since the job placement is related to the specialization we choose, we are easily able to understand the management concepts taught to us in the classroom and put it into practical ways at workplace.
The GEMS B School are pioneers in launching its unique work and study MBA program, which is known as the Industry Synergized program. This unique program model was conceived by a group of industrial professionals with a mission to bridge a gap between the academics and industrial competence.
We have students who work during the weekdays and come here during the weekends and learn the basics and fundamentals of what they are experiencing in their day-to-day work. The beauty of this is that they come out with a range of ideas, new ideas which even people like me tend to learn.
Of this course, what I can tell you is once you're out of this and come into the industry, once you finish your course, you just are not an MBA graduate. You also have a relevant 2 years of experience, which gives you an other different edge compared to the other colleges or the other candidates who come out with zero experience and just being an MBA graduate.
Anybody should join GEMS B School because of the work and study culture here. It not only gives you academic excellence, but also gives you exposure to the industry.
So if you're looking for a program with academic excellence and an excellent industrial interface, then the GEMS B School should be your choice.